step-by-step framework on how everybody can make content that converts in minutes. A step-by-step framework. 3 steps. I got the 3 steps that if you put them together, you're going to be able to get a ton of conversions with your content which you are creating. Step number 1 is that you got to give value. Give value, you got to give entertainment, you got to give information, and or something that is relatable. If you can combine all of them, that's even better. So give value first on your piece of content. Second, you should destroy their false beliefs. Use the stories to change the false beliefs of what beliefs they got in their head to show them, hey, no, actually, it works. Let me show you the story that thing that happened to me. Destroy those false beliefs. Because if you don't do that and ask for the business, they will have like stories of something that's not working for them that will prevent them to actually take action. So destroy those false beliefs. And now the final step is do the sole call to action. By the way, if you want to go, if you're on Clubhouse and you want to go watch it, the show, the Marketing Commander shows on YouTube, you can do that because I got a step-by-step process laid out with like titles and all that, images. And I know for you guys that are visual learners and that want maybe to take some notes, it's maybe going to be easier. So if you guys want to benefit from that, make sure you go on YouTube. And I just did a solo call to action. You can introduce a solo call to action by saying things like, by the way, like, oh, I just thought about this. Like, you got to make sure that, by the way, is one of the best. The thing is, you really have to think about the way to introduce your call to action seamlessly when you're doing free content, seamlessly into your emails, into your daily broadcast, seamlessly into your post, seamlessly into everything that you're doing. Because if it screams like advertisements, if it screams like, yeah, I'm trying to grab your attention for you to make something, people are going to see that. And we all have that automatic mechanism that helps us not to perceive to see an ad. You know, when you're like, oh, like it's time for the ads on TV and we're just to go on my phone. You see what I mean? That defenses wall that's rising. Well, if you do it seamlessly, those walls won't be able to be rose up. And what's the best thing is that you will be able to talk directly to the people that you want to talk and help them the best you possibly can. So do that solo call to action by saying, hey, by the way, and then you just do that. It's great in the PS section, postscriptum section of an email as well.